Welcome to BLVD.com. I am Dan the Wheelchair Van Man, and what we're looking here today at is a factory trailer hitch for a Chrysler Pacifica. It's been installed. We removed that rear bumper. Behind that is the original crush bar. This bolted right onto the vehicle. We've removed this, taken the hitch that we purchased directly from the dealer, and went directly into its place. Turned out very, very clean. Had to do a little bit of trimming to the bumper, but ultimately maintains the height, and even after the wheelchair modification, still maintains a 3,500 pound towing capacity. Looking for a dealer near you to install a hitch onto your wheelchair accessible van? Check out BLVD.com. Find a dealer near you that's happy to help.